Maiga yomukonyi w'omugavana w'ekaunti ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda wakwaisiko kurwa ase ebunge igosa serikali ye kaunti ya Kisii ase egikaro kyabage gokorekana ase ebunge ye senatari ase omucho Nairobi nigo omugavana w'ekaunti ya Kisii Arati rituko rya rero abwatukire rieta rya ori omochore achorire Arati koba omukonyi oye ase erieterio ria ikiwabosio bwebunge ye kaunti ya Kisii wetera ase omo speaker bwe kaunti eyo erieta riaye Elija Obebo nerieta riabwatukwa ase ebunge yo ye kaunti ya Kisii ase bono rirachi korigose arachi korigereriwa nabo igo gwetiwa gose gochi goikiwa ase ekeombe kirikia IBC aire koringoriwa nabo igo gochorwa kwenekiwa koba omukonyi bw'omugavana bwe kaunti ya Kisii konye kawochi wanchiranwa.
Honorable members, I am pleased to inform this honorable house that I have received a communication from His Excellency, the Governor of Kisii, Arati, which reads as follows: submission of nominee for the post of the Deputy Governor for vetting by the County Assembly of Kisii. Pursuant to provision of Section 32T of the County Government Amendment Act 2012, as led with the provision of the Public Appointment County Assembly's Approval Act number 5 of 2017, I do here nominate the following person as on below for the position of the Deputy Governor for the vetting and approval by the County Assembly. Name: Mr. Elija Obebo. ID number 16004184. Honorable members, pursuant to Article 179, subsection 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, and the Standing Order number 185, subsection 4, I hereby commit the nomination of Mr. Elija Obebo as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County Government to the Committee on Appointment for Vetting and report back to this House within